This innocent-looking expression has literally broken the internet. Half say it's 9, half say it's 1. Here's the twist. Both sides are using correct math. So what's really happening? It all comes down to how you read this division symbol. Is it just a simple operator, or does it create a fraction with everything on the right in the denominator? Let's see what happens with each interpretation. First, the conventional approach. We have order of operations rules specifically to avoid confusion like this. You know PEMDAS, but here's the key. Multiplication and division have equal priority. Same with addition and subtraction. When they're equal, you go left to right. Let's apply the rules. Parentheses first. 1 plus 2. Straightforward enough. Which gives us 3. Now this 2, 3 is just implied multiplication. Let's make it explicit. Here's the moment of truth. Division and multiplication, same priority. Left to right wins. Division comes first, simply because it appears on the left. 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. Leaving us with this final multiplication. 3 times 3 is 9. By the official rules, it's 9. Case closed? Not so fast. So why do millions of people say it's 1? Are they all wrong? No, they're just reading it differently. They don't see separate operations. They see 6 divided by everything that follows. To them, everything after the division is one big denominator. Written as a fraction, it looks like this. Now, there's no ambiguity. You must solve the entire bottom first. We still evaluate the parentheses first, getting 3. Now we finish the denominator. 2 times 3 is 6. And we get 1. Same expression, different interpretation, different answer. So who's right? Actually, the person who wrote this problem is wrong. Technically, it's 9, but the notation is so ambiguous that it practically begs for the other interpretation. Math should communicate clearly. This expression fails spectacularly. Instead, write it clearly. If you mean to multiply the results, or if you mean everything in the denominator. The lesson? Use parentheses. Save the internet from itself.